Hello and welcome to the Wayne County Probate Court. This video will guide you in filling out Form PC 575, which is a Notice of Informal Probate, where no personal representative is appointed. Before we get started, this video is not legal advice. It's for informational purposes only. You need to seek legal counsel or read the statutes and court rules to answer questions specific to your situation. So let's grab the form. This is the Wayne County Probate Court website, www.wcpc.us. And in the upper middle, you'll see a forms link. And then you can click SCAO approved forms. Probate court is primarily a form-driven proceeding. So SCAO forms are frequently used. You'll see the Estates, Trust, and Miscellaneous link. When you click that link, it brings you directly to the Supreme Court of Michigan's website, and specifically the forms used in Estates, Trusts, and Miscellaneous probate proceedings. I'm going to do a Control F and type in the form number, and that will get me directly to the form. And when I click on the link, the form pops up and you can begin to fill it out directly on your computer. So let's run through it. In the upper left, you'll put the county of Wayne. On the right, if you have a file number, you will include the file number, which you should have because your application has been approved. Then estate of, this is the decedent's name. Then you will type to all interested persons. You will list the interested persons here in this space. If there are too many names to fit in this space, you can put C attached Exhibit 1 or Attachment A and attach a blank piece of paper titled Exhibit 1 or Attachment A that lists all the interested persons. Then, the decedent who lived at, you will type in the address of where the decedent lived. You'll put died on, you'll put the date of death, which you can obtain from the death certificate. Then, an application for informal probate of decedent's will was filed by. You'll put the name of the applicant, which is presumably you, your address, city, state, and zip, the date on which the application was filed, the Wayne County Probate Court. You can put the address of the court and pull that address from the court's website. Informally admitted the will. No personal representative has been appointed and there is no administration of the estate. You will type in the attorney's name if there is one, or your name if you are not an attorney. Then you'll see publish above information only if there is a missing interested person. So if you can't find someone who is considered an interested person under the statute and court rules, you will publish this notice, which will act as service of this notice to that party. Publish once in, and this is to be filled out. A common one would be the Detroit Legal News, and furnish however many copies to whomever you are furnishing the copies to. Forward statement of publication, charges, and proof of publication to. You'll put where there. Note to preparer. This notice must be sent to all interested persons only if the will is informally admitted and no personal representative is appointed. In addition, if there is a missing interested person, the above information must be published. If there is an interested person whose address is unknown and cannot be ascertained after diligent inquiry, insert quote, including John Smith, or whoever the name of the interested person is, whose address and whereabouts are unknown. Then you'll see, with all SCAO approved forms, references to statutes, MCL, and court rules, MCR, and you can do a quick internet search to read the statute, which I will attempt to do here. So if you search MCL 700.3306, you're going to want to make sure that the link you are clicking on is from www.legislature.mi.gov. That's the first link in this case. When you click on the link, it brings up the statute. And then you will see, within 28 days, the applicant shall give written information of the probate to the heirs, devisees, a person who demands it, and the such. So you'll want to do that for both the statute and the court rule. Again, you want to make sure for the court rule that you're clicking on www.courts.michigan.gov. This is the Supreme Court website, the same one where you got the form from. It was 5.309 informal proceedings, and here's the court rule. So that is how you fill out form PC 575. We put this together at the Wayne County Probate Court because we care. Have a great day.